You know what happened once? It was my very first workshop. I was hosting it in Manchester, live, in a very expensive hotel. So I invested quite a lot into that workshop. And I was really well prepared with content, workbooks, even food, coffee, biscuits. Everything was so thought about, except my offer. That's why I want to share with you this so that you can avoid this mistake. You know what happened? I was so excited about this entire content and so not ready to make any offer during that workshop that when I started to fall behind with time and I actually ran out of time, I didn't even make an offer during that workshop. At all, at all, at all. Nothing. What's even worse, I had beautiful feedback forms prepared for people. I didn't even do that. So that I didn't have testimonials from this workshop. I didn't have feedback. It was a big challenge. It was a big learning, actually. So I'm sharing this with you because I want you to avoid this happening to you. I know it's important to deliver amazing content, but if you sat down with someone and they ask you, can you teach me what you would be teaching during this event? You would easily teach them what you will be teaching within that event. You would just tell them, share with them with ease straight away without preparing yourself because it's already within you. Again, another reminder, you've got this wisdom already. But what you may forget about and what you probably haven't practiced yet enough is selling, is making sure that you make an offer. So what I want you to do when you are getting ready to host your launch trigger event is to outline what's going to happen within that launch trigger event and add some stories, mentions, testimonials, ways that you will be selling within that workshop without waiting till the end. That's the first thing. If you don't have any testimonials, share your own stories, but make sure you highlight it for yourself so that it's not just a story, it's a story with call to action. So you may say, you may talk about your transformation, but important piece is that you will mention within this event, of course, I will help you to get this and that. And if you want more, if you want to achieve what I did, and you're probably even better client than I was for myself, then I can help you with that. I will be opening registration to this and this course, and you can just say a few words about it. I believe being open from the very beginning that you are going to sell is always a better way than waiting till the end. Firstly, because you may run out of time. Secondly, someone may leave earlier because they have to, so they will miss that. And thirdly, it's because everyone needs a few triggers to buy, not just one. And what triggers people better is those real stories, those testimonials, those reminders about, you see, right now how you're enjoying the community. This is exactly what I will offer you in my course. You will never be left alone. You will be so excited, cheering everyone up. And so you need to be very thoughtful about ways and the elements that you will add to sell within your workshop. I'm going to add an extra video for you in here selling within your workshop, so you will get some extra ideas. But something that I didn't mention there is you can create for yourself a list of those things that you want to mention, list of the things that you want to teach people, and also like timestamps next to each. It doesn't need to be word by word what you're going to say. It just needs to be like a little plan, a structure, an outline to help you make sure that you're on track, to help you make sure that if you look at this list, you can see, oops, I didn't mention anything about my course yet. I'm just delivering content. And let me just think, how can I mention my course right now? That's so important that you're selling throughout, not just waiting till the end. And make sure that you also let people know exactly like what they need to do. It's you know, even when someone hears course or program, some people may never bought any. They may not know, how does this work? Is this just recorded or live or video or what? So tell them exactly, how does that work? What's going to happen? Tell them exactly when the registration closes and why. Just say that it's amazing to start together, because then you've got all of the people working on the same thing together, inspiring each other. Nobody is left behind. Remember that you need to make sure that you mention it. And I love having those timestamps, because that will give you an outline, an idea. Okay, where am I up to? How am I doing? And I'm very honest with people. I just say, oh, let me just check if we are on track. So you don't need to worry that you need to look at your notes. Just be honest. Even to click and connect more. I love to show people my notes. So I will just show them, look, this is my plan for today. Just to click, just to show that the way that you work. Any little thing helps with connecting. So you will also find the full workshop that I created on selling within your workshops, that will help you to get some more ideas how to sell within your workshop. But most importantly, please plan how you will sell. Plan when will you mention. And this is like very specific to your content. So you know the best. What else can they have if they go along with you on this journey? Imagine that someone really close to you was about to buy this course, and think what will be the difference if they buy it and if they don't, and keep bringing that idea. Okay, if they buy, they have this and that, and keep mentioning as you go along during your launch trigger event. That's all for now. Your only job as a homework after watching this video is to plan, think, reflect on the way you will be selling throughout your launch trigger, just so you're not left until the end, and at the end you just quietly say, and then there is this course that is happening. And you can start practicing it straight away by practicing to selling your launch trigger within your videos as you go along, instead of waiting until the end of a promotional video to say, hey, and this register for this workshop. Start practicing, create a video on the topic that resonates with your audience, and as you go along, try to weave in some little informations about the workshop that is coming and why they need to be there. Good luck. Bye for now.